Hi again. Here we are again on my channel. We're gonna unbox again. This one is from the Philippines again. I bought the Josh Cullen merch. So let's see what's inside. Let's check. Let's unbox na anak.
Don't hurt me.
Be careful. Oops, oops. Ooh.
I'm too slow.
Okay. Daki na. Let's check.
Wow.
Let's
I
check.
want to feel this first.
No, this one has no need. It's
I
like,
want
look.
these.
Lost and found.
I want these.
No, just open the zip. Donut, be careful.
Check.
Can you open what's inside?
I know what is this. It's kind of slow.
What? What is it? It's a shirt from Josh Cullen.
That's mine.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Be careful, anak, ha? Dahan-dahan, ha? Iingatan natin lahat yan. Oh my gosh.
Look.
Oh, it's from Josh. Oh my gosh. Everything from Josh Cullen. Kailangan next concert, makapagpasign kami kay Josh Cullen. I love it. Thank you, Josh Cullen. I love the shirt. Wow.
There's so many pictures.
I know, it's so cute.
Mommy, who is this?
I don't know. Oh, let's check this one next. This one also. Oh, careful.
That's money.
Oh,
What is this money?
it's Manny's of Josh Cullen. Oh my goodness. I got a hug.
Oh, yeah. Oh, no, yes.
Oh my god, I love the hug. I love the hug. I love the hug. And also, I have the shirt. I have the shirt. Huh. Josh Cullen. Huh. Oh my god, I've got the merch from the Lost and Found concert of Josh Cullen. And then I got here also from the Wild Tonight book of Josh Cullen. Next time, pasasign ko na to sa kanya. Hindi ako nakapagpasign pero makapag-sign ulit ako. Next time, this one. Thank you, Lord. Goodbye. Thanks for watching. Love it. I love it.